The if family is even greater because you can find some kind of cousins of the previously known formulas, like the average if formula that once again can take the range of the categories. In our scenario, this is the producer, and then the criteria, this is something above, and then the average range for the calculation. In our case, this is sales. And to copy the formula, we need to block the information. And finally, we've got the max ifs formula and the min ifs formula. They are brand new in Excel, and you can do exactly the same calculation. So based on some kind of range of data, you can apply criteria like, let's take the producer and call it Apple, and this will calculate you the min if, and you can apply many more conditions in there. And to copy the formula, once again we will apply just the address blocking.